If the elephants have past lives, yet are destined to always remember, it's no wonder how they scream. Like you and I, they must have some temper, and I am dreaming of them on the plane, dirtying up their bed, watching for some sign of rain to cool their head. And how dare that you send me that card when I'm doing all that I can do. You are forcing me to remember, and all I want is to just forget you. If the tiger shall protect her young, and tell me how did you survive? All my instincts have failed me for once. I must have somehow slept the whole night, and I am dreaming of them with their kills, tearing it all apart. Blood dripping from their lips, teeth sinking into heart. And how dare that you say you were called, when you know I need some peace of mind. If you had to take sides with the animals, won't you do it with one who's count? If the hawks in the trees need the dance, if you're living you don't stand a chance. For a time will you share the same bed, laughing as you please. So for those of you falling in love, keep it kind, keep it good, keep it right. Throw yourself in the midst of danger, but keep one